Hi, now I'm going to talk about the foundation in construction. So, everyone is familiar with the foundation. So, I'm going to give a very important inputs about the foundation. So, as you all know that a building consists of two types of structures. One is superstructure and one is substructure. So superstructure is the structure just above the ground level and substructure is the structure below the ground level. So our foundation comes under the substructure. Okay. So here in this video, I'm going to talk about the foundation and its properties or its criteria or its important content that foundation has to do with a building. Okay, so what is foundation? The foundation of a building is its fundamental supporting structure crucial for ensuring stability, durability and safety. It serves as the base upon which the entire edifice rests, distributing the building's weight or load evenly to the below ground. So, as we all know that it is the lowest part of the building is the foundation, and it has the direct contact with the soil. So it having or have it has a proper some properties it has. First property of the foundation or good foundation is the load bearing. The foundation bears the weight of the entire building, including its structural elements, contents, and occupants like us. It transfers these loads to the soil or bedrock beneath the soil, preventing the settlement of the building or collapse. Even the settlement means settlement that occurs collapsing of the building itself. So the first important property of the foundation is its load bearing capacity. The next very important thing is the stability and safety. Actually, a well-designed foundation provides stability, preventing the building from shifting or tilting or shrinking over the time. Over the time means as time goes, these tilting or the shrinking, shifting, this can able to occur, and these things is um, uh, not reduced, it is prevented by the foundation's type or the foundation's capacity or the foundation that uh, the where and when the foundation is being laid. This ensures the safety of occupants. Occupants means the users of the buildings, occupants, and protects the structure from any kind of damages, especially in the areas like seismic. You heard of the seismic, like earthquake prone areas, earthquake. So, in earthquake prone areas or the areas where the landslide occurs, soil erosion occurs, that kinds of areas, foundations, in that kind of areas, if you are going to build a structure, foundation plays a very important role actually. Next, a very important role is the moisture control. Uh, Properly construction or the constructed foundation incorporate moisture barriers and drainage system to prevent water from seeping into the building. This helps control humidity level, prevent mold growth, and protects against water damage, particularly in regions with high rainfall or groundwater tables. Another very important point is like important property of a foundation is like in insulation and energy efficiency. Actually, some foundation designs incorporate insulation materials to improve energy efficiency by reducing heat loss through the building space. Actually, this helps maintain some comfortable indoor temperature also and reducing heating and cooling costs over there actually. And another very small important thing is termite or the pest control. As we all know that in the regions where pests are there, these foundation may include measures to de-infect or deter infestations of these kinds or prevent pests from entering in the building. Okay, that is also a very important thing. As time goes, the foundation is the very important thing. So it is the direct contact with the soil. So pest and termite control we have to use while doing the foundation. Another important factor is the environmental consideration. So we nowadays we are in the urge, or we are in a place to build not a normal building but a sustainable practice we have to adopt. So sustainable building practice often involve in foundations that minimize environmental impacts, such as using eco-friendly materials and optimizing site selection and incorporating recycled or locally sourced materials, and minimize the disturbance to natural habitats. That is a sustainable building like. So in that sustainable building, the foundation also plays a very important matter also. And buildings codes and regulations, we have that as a civil engineer. We always know that there is a building codes and regulations typically require specific standards for foundation design and costs to ensure compliance with safety and structural integrity requirements. Adhering to these standards is essential for obtaining permits and approval from the construction projects. So these are the very important normal materials. So then it's a very important steps like how to construct a foundation. So we all know that it's a very important, it is a very easy and simple procedure I'm quoting now in this slide. Is a, we know that we have to excavate some place, so trenches dig deeper into the soil, so and we have to pour some concrete into this digged trench, okay. And in that concrete we have to place reinforcements, and these reinforcements again we have to pour the concrete and the foundation is ready. But there are different types of foundations depending upon the foundations, the different type depending upon the types of foundations we have the different methodology to what construct the foundation. That's it. So that's it.